Hi, I'm Olga, and today I'm showing how to make perfect poached eggs. Simple and reliable. All we need for making poached eggs are the actual eggs, apple cider vinegar, I use this one, I like it, small strainer like this, and the boiling water. That's pretty much it. We'll start with straining the eggs. We need to separate very liquidy egg whites from the eggs. And this is how we do it. Breaking an egg, and you can see how there's a liquid right there. That's all we need to separate. And we save this egg here. Next egg. Same story. You still can see how it's separating. Just be very careful not to break the yolk. And when it stops, it means it's done. There we go. And here's our third egg. Still going, still separating, all done. And here's our third egg. We're good to go. So our water is boiling. We actually don't need it to be boiling. So I'm gonna bring it down to just very gentle simmer. Just like that, just few bubbles on the bottom. And we need a couple spoons of apple cider vinegar. Just a couple tablespoons. Now we're going to create a small vortex in this pan. And as soon as the vortex is working, our egg is going right in there. And it's almost a perfect shape. If egg white separates a little bit, you can always help it with a spoon. So now we set our timer for 3.5 minutes, depending on how harsh you want your egg yolk. So it has been 3 minutes. I'm pulling our poached egg out of here, and it goes to get a cold plunge right there. This way it's gonna stop cooking, and at the same time we're doing the second egg. Again, creating small vortex here. A little bit of vinegar is not going to give you any vinegar taste for the eggs. And there we go. And don't forget to set your timer for 2.5 minutes. You can keep it for 3 minutes just to make sure that the egg is cooked well. As you can see, there's a little bit of unevenness on this white part, so you can just scoop it like this, or you can cut it with a knife or with scissors later when you pull it out. Well, I can see that this poached egg is ready. It's been almost 3 minutes, so I'm pulling it off. And it goes to get the cold plunge as well. This way it stops cooking. Now we need to place asparagus on this baking sheet, and we need to give it a little bit of room. So don't overcrowd it. Need to make sure that there's enough room for each little asparagus to bake really well. Just not one on top of another. Just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And next up, we're gonna add some salt. Slightly salted. I like pink salt. I also like adding a little bit of lemon zest on my asparagus. It gives it a very unique and delicious taste. Now a little bit of pepper, black ground pepper. And sprinkle everything with olive oil. Beautiful like this. I'm using Greek olive oil. I love everything Greek, and especially Greek olive oil. I also add a little bit of lemon juice to this asparagus. So now our asparagus is going into the oven for 15 minutes. Now our asparagus is going to the oven for 20 minutes. Just because we have already potatoes baking in there, we need a little bit more time for the asparagus to get soft. So my 20-minute timer went off, which means our asparagus is ready. Look how beautiful this asparagus is. And this is soft asparagus, I don't like very crunchy asparagus. And this is one of the most delicious breakfasts in my opinion. We made this beautiful poached eggs. And now we're gonna use our baked asparagus as a base, just like this. I also have on the side a little bit of smoked salmon. So here comes one slice of salmon. Third slice of salmon. Just a few drops of lemon juice. And since we had our poached eggs in the ice bath, I microwaved them for just 30 seconds. So here we get our beautiful poached egg on top. So our amazing breakfast with asparagus, salmon and poached egg is ready. Let's give it a try. Look how beautiful it is. And the asparagus is very gentle. So I'm going to give it a try. This is absolutely delicious. Thank you for being today with me on my channel Balanced and Tasty, and I hope to see you soon for my next delicious and balanced video.